Welcome to our channel! Look! So many bamboos!
I remember bamboo is for building or for pandas, not for eating, right?
Right! It must be bitter and hard!
来吃甘蔗啊，这个豆，
No, it's not edible. It's not edible. It's not edible.
我来给你削一下来哈，削了皮来。
It smells different.
这样子咬一口，
Just one bite.
no，这个咬了
哦
吐掉。
Oh, my mistake.
是，
I almost ate the wood.
Is it sweet?
It is delicious. It's nothing like bamboo.
Wow!
Okay. Our mistake. The villager just told us that this is not bamboo, but sugarcane. Sugarcane is not only edible, but can also be used to make brown sugar.
And today, we will take you to make traditional Chinese brown sugar. Let's start our sweet adventure!
Yeah. So first step, we cut the sugarcane.
It looks easy, right? Shouldn't be that hard.
Ooh, my mistake. It's a skillful job.
Yeah! Woo! From down.
Wow, I underestimated this work.
Yes, exactly. But thinking about brown sugar later makes it worth it.
This is how we get the juice,
Witness the miracle
with pure sweetness.
and no additives.
It's sweet.
Next step is boiling. I heard it takes a long time and constant stirring. My arm is so tired.
But look, the juice is changing color. Only a big steady fire can make the thick syrup worth the sweet.
Oh, got it. Gotta keep the fire strong.
Yeah, this is really hard physical work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, like honey but thicker. It's super thick and sticky.
Wow, look at it.
Yeah,
Like honey.
it is.
Oh, hurry, don't cool down.
This is the most exciting part. It's like making a sweet treasure.
Yes, exactly. Waiting is hard, but it's worth it.
I can already smell the strong sugar aroma.
Yeah.
15 minutes later.
Wow, look at this. It's
So amazing. Wow.
Wow, look at this. Dark, brown, shiny. It smells amazing.
Yeah. It has a faint sugarcane fragrance. This is the best sugar I've ever tasted.
Yes, exactly. 怎么样，周叔？
很好吃。
好吃吗？
Today was truly a day full of challenges and sweetness.
We went from mistaking sugarcane for bamboo to making brown sugar ourselves.
We finally understood how much effort goes into a single piece of sugar.
It's not just sugar, it is the wisdom of hardworking Chinese people. If you like this vlog, make sure to like, subscribe.
And remember, sugarcane is not bamboo. See you next time. Bye-bye.